Question 14. As soon as you see a sum where there's more than one operation and we've got an add, we've got a divide and we've got a pair of brackets, the chances are they're testing your skills on BODMAS or BIDMAS. Remember, some people actually call it BODMAS and some people call it BIDMAS. So let's just remember what these letters actually stand for. Well, the B stands for brackets, the I stands for indices, or the O stands for order, which basically is like little squareds and cubes. D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, A is add, S is subtract. So we need to bear that in mind when we do this calculation. Now remember, the things towards the top of the list are more important. So what we've got to do now is check our calculation, and whatever's at the top of the list, we need to do that first. Well, we've got an add, we've got a divide, and we've got a pair of brackets. So we've got brackets, which is this one, we've got an add, which is this one, and we've got a divide, which is this one. And we've got to do the one that's highest on the list first. So we've got to do the brackets first, because brackets is at the top of the list. So I'm just going to write this calculation down again to give myself a little bit more space. So 50 add 36 divided by 6, close the bracket. So we've just said we've got to do the brackets first because it's top of the list. So I'm going to cross out the bracket and work the answer to that out. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. Notice I've written the answer to that directly under the bit that I've worked out. 36 divided by 6 is 6. But what I need to do now is anything that I've not crossed out, I just need to drop it down because I haven't done it yet. So I haven't done the 50, so drop down the 50, and I haven't done the add, so drop down the add. And now we've made a new sum. And this new sum just simply says 50 add 6. And now there's only one symbol left, just the add. When there's only one symbol left, you can just read it left to right. So 50 add 6 is 56. So again, I can cross that bit out. 50 add 6 is 56 and write my answer underneath. And that's it. There's no more things to be done. So my final answer is 56. Just need to write it in the answer box. 56.